Hey, what's up guys? It's me Ubaid and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to take a look on wireless Bluetooth headphone which is Dolby Dimension. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. Dolby Dimension is a wireless Bluetooth headphone with cinematic sound. Dolby's first consumer electronic product has been designed first and foremost for the home entertainment experience, with an emphasis on home. Dolby, the company known for surround sound, has released its first consumer electronics product. And not surprisingly, it has something to do with sound. Meet the Dolby Dimension, a $599 Bluetooth headphone that's been designed first and foremost for the home entertainment experience, with an emphasis on home. Sure, you can wear it around the streets on the go, but the idea behind it is to be able to get immersive cinematic sound from your TV and mobile devices at home without bothering anyone around you. While it's a little heavy at 11.6 ounces, 330 grams. It's comfortable to wear and looks and feels swanky. It's better for $600 with a synthetic leather finish and a sturdy aluminum frame. It's come with a charging dock that has a magnetic connection and makes it easy to store the headphones when not in use. There's a USB port for charging the headphone on the go with the included cable, but it's micro USB, not USB-C, which is too bad. I also thought for the price it should come with a more protective case than the simple cloth bag that's included. You were probably wondering whether this is a surround sound headphone, and the answer is sort of, but not really. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core ARM processor. The Dimension has a digital processing feature called virtualization that Dolby says dramatically enhances the sound of all your movies, shows and music. And when you play content created in Dolby Atmos, you automatically get the best sound for it over a Bluetooth connection. Noise cancelling and amplified transparency. This is a noise cancelling headphone and the noise cancelling is effective. At the same time, there's also a transparency mode. Dolby calls both transparency and noise cancelling modes live mix. That allows you to hear everything around you and talk to people when you are listening through the headphones. The headphone has 5 beamforming microphones and works well for making calls at least indoors. The microphones are incredibly sensitive, and with the transparency set to the highest boost level, 11 of course, you can literally hear sounds that you normally would not pick up, such as your hand rubbing lightly against your clothing. On the right ear cup there's a touch control for volume, pausing and playing tracks, and skipping tracks forward and back. Tap the ear cup twice and it toggles between transparency and noise cancelling modes. With the live mix and virtualization turned on, you can get up to 10 hours of battery life and up to 15 hours in a power conservation mode. Those wouldn't be good numbers if this was a mobile headphone, but the idea is that you did watch for a few hours, then put the headphones back in the charging dock. You can get 2 hours of battery life from a 15-minute charge, and the headphone fully charges in 2 hours. Interestingly, there's no cord that's come with the headphone and thus no wired mode. It's one of the few headphones I've ever seen that's Bluetooth only. Dolby Dimension key specs. 40mm custom designed drivers. Weight 11.6 ounces, 330 grams. Power-based charging dock included the micro USB cable for charging on the go. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz with custom Dolby EQ. Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core ARM processor. 5 omnidirectional microphones for live mix, noise cancelling and transparency. 10 hours of battery with the live mix and virtualization. 15 hours with the low power mode. Get 2 hours of battery life from a 15-minute charge. Full charge after 2 hours. Bluetooth Classic A2DP codecs. ACC, aptX, aptX low latency and SPC. Bluetooth range of up to 100 feet, 33 meters. Can pair with and remember up to 8 devices. Carrying pouch included. Price $5.99. Thanks for watching. Hey, like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.